Here's how to use Xero for small businesses or accountants and things like that. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope that you are all doing great. In this video, I will just show you a brief overview if you're just getting started with Xero, what you can do with it, how to get started and things like that. And let's just talk about Xero generally in this video. So if you don't know, Xero is going to be helping you with your business stuff. It does have plenty of features. If we just click on features here, you can see a lot of the features and there's even more. So it is going to be very helpful if you're, starting things out, or even if you're a well-established business. It doesn't really matter whether it's a small or big business. It's going to help you out a lot with a lot of stuff like bills and many more analytics and a lot of things. Like, I really mean a lot of things. So I think the most appropriate thing to talk about first is going to be the pricing. Now, it does have a free plan that you can start at any time, see how things go, test things out for yourself, and then go ahead and see if you want to upgrade for any of those plans that you see in your screen. So it does have three plans: the starter plan, standard, and premium. Now, from the starter plan, you will need to notice that it does have limitations when it comes to invoices, quotes, and bills. So 20 for invoices and quotes, and 5 bills. For the standard, it's going to remove all the limitations on that. And also, one more thing that is going to be important, that you can use multiple currencies for only the premium plan. Other plans, you don't really get any other currencies. And there are going to be other things here that you can view yourself once you go to Xero.com. And you can just go to pricing and compare everything else, because there's quite a lot. But these are the most important ones, that the quotes and invoices are up to 20 for the starter, and 5 bills, and then for the standard and premium, it's unlimited. And also the multiple currencies one. So with that being said, let's actually jump into signing up and get to the dashboard and talk about what you can do from there. So we can just go ahead and click on try Xero for free. And here I will need to fill in my information. So I will do so and just get back to you when I'm done. So once you enter your information, it's going to tell you to verify your email. So you just go ahead and actually go to your email, and then you should find an email from them, where you can just click on this button right here, and it's going to verify your account basically. And here you will need to enter your password, and you should be good to go. So I will do so and get back to you again. So after I confirm my password and my email, I just need to fill in more information about my business. So let's just do business name. This is going to be all for the sake of the video, but let's just name it whatever we want. Obviously here you would enter your real business name, and then industry, you obviously also include your industry. Let's just do bakery. Why not? Yeah, sure. And then country, time zone, it's just going to be automatic. Currency, make sure that you set the currency to your business currency, because again, if you're not going to be using the premium plan, which is the highest one, you only will be getting one currency. You can't really change it. So make sure that you choose your currency wisely. So you can do USD, maybe United States dollar. Okay. So let's just do USD, and then you can select your last day of your financial year. I'm just going to keep it like that, and then if you have employees, you can just select yes, but I'm just going to do no, it's just me. And then you select the tool that you are using, but I'm not using anything, so I'll just do none. I'm just starting. And then you can either buy now or start trial. Obviously, I really suggest that you start a trial before you jump into anything, really, just to test the waters before you commit to paying. So we just click on start trial, and we just wait. I will actually just talk to you when I am in the dashboard. Never mind, we are already in the dashboard. Okay. So here we go. So this is going to be the main place where you'll be working with Xero. So you've got dashboard, business, accounting projects, contacts, and more items in here. The first thing that you will need to do is just go to your account and then edit profile. In here, you'll need to go to your profile settings and just edit things out. Make sure you have your image and name, job title, and all of those things. So those are going to be from within the settings. And then you just go to the main settings here, and you can see other information that you can fill in if you want. But mainly, if we just go back here, demo company is going to be the company that we are working for right now. And this is going to have things that are samples or tests for us. So in here, we can do a few things. For the dashboard, we can actually edit the dashboard to our liking because it's going to show us a few things here. So it's going to show us, for example, business bank account. And it's just going to show us more about those things. Account watch list, savings account, invoices owed to you, cash in and out, which is going to be useful to track your expenses, bills you need to pay, and more. So what you can do is actually just go ahead and edit dashboard. And for example, we don't want the watch list, we don't want the owed to you, and we can move this from here. Just drag and drop it wherever you want, which can, be very useful if you want to adjust things to your liking. For example, we can just replace this, and now we can just keep it nice and simple. Save changes, and we should be good to go. So this is how our dashboard works. It's going to just summarize things for us. Now for business, we've got analytics, which is going to just show us for business snapshot and more analytics here. If we just click on it, it's going to show us a lot of things. So total bills to pay, and balance, invoices and stuff. As you can see, there's going to be plenty of stuff. I'm not going to go through everything because, like I said, there's a lot of things that Xero does for you, and it just automates pretty much everything that you could think of, because it makes your life much more easy when it comes to bills and expenses, invoices, and more. So here you get a lot of stuff like products and services. You can see analytics for each one, and you can see all of these are obviously samples that it just creates for us, so we can work around with it. Now for accounting, it's going to give us bank accounts, reports, and so on. And here are going to be the reports that you favorited, and these are going to be very important. So if we just click on reports, I'll show you what I mean. You can favorite and unfavorite them if you want to view them easier, because if we just scroll down, you will see how many reports you can actually view and see. Now profit and loss is going to show you exactly your expenses and income. So if we just click on it, is going to take us to the page where it's going to show us the report for our profit and loss, and it's just going to show us all the details. You can see net profits at the end, total cost of sales, and so on. So if you like this one, you will need to favorite it by just clicking on the star on the left. You can do sales tax report, balance sheet, and for example, let's just do one that is not selected. For example, for the payroll, maybe projects, detailed time. Let's see, maybe inventory item list. So for example, this one, maybe this one is very important to me that I want to keep like already there. So what we do is just basically click on the star here, and inventory item list should now appear in here. So if we just go ahead and restart, we should find now within the reports the new one, which is inventory item list, as you can see. And same thing goes for advanced, by the way. You can see the options that you find within advanced. And again, you can see like tax rates if you want, you can add those. And just, it's going to give you plenty of reports. I'm telling you, Xero is just going to just have everything that you will need when it comes to it. Now, projects is going to show you all the projects that you have, because it does also manage projects. Like you can see staff time overview, and you can just see the projects that are for example, for the dates of the projects and so on. For the contacts, you can see all the contacts that are linked to Xero here. Again, these are all going to be like examples that they give us, and it's very, very nice because you can also search and do more things like tags and just, you know, have them all within a group, which is going to make things easier for you to search for contacts and tag them. In here for the add, you can add an invoice if you want. So you just go here and you can manually add a invoice. So it's going to be to, date, and so on. And then you just go ahead and add the amount, and it's going to give you the total amount and everything. You can just go ahead and approve. And then also not only invoices, but you can do bills, contact, quotes, and many more. And you can also do manual journal if you know how to do one or create one. But yeah, you get plenty of things when you come to this add button. Search is just going to help you to search for contacts, projects, and so on. It's just going to make your life easier of finding things because you can see it's really cramped. But with the favorites thing is it's a little easier, but if you want to be more quick, you can just do it right here. Notifications are for notifications, and you can also turn them off if you don't want to be annoyed. Here you can ask for help. You get a lot of support articles. You can just look them up. And if you don't find them, you can just go ahead and actually go to Xero Central, where you can contact support basically. And then from here, you also get integrations. So you do get integrations from here and also from within the App Store of Xero. So here you can just go to your App Store and link whatever you want from apps and stuff. And you can see there's plenty of apps that you can link and integrations. So that's pretty much it. So there's a lot of stuff that Xero helps you with, and you just need to connect your business, and you've got pretty much everything that you need to know. If you want to create something, you just go to the plus sign. If you want to check reports, you just go to accounting. Here are going to be all the reports and stuff. For the business, you can go ahead and actually see the invoices that you have. Like you can see here, the invoices, due date, status, like is it awaiting payment, is it paid, or is it a draft, and so on. It's not just for the invoices. You can see for the quotes, again, same thing, and also the status of the quotes, the amount of the quotes and everything, and how much you are owed, and just a lot of things. Like you can see checks, pay run, everything. So just go ahead and go crazy with Xero. Test things out with the free trial first, and then if you really think that it helps your business a lot, then feel free to upgrade. So this is pretty much the overview of Xero. I hope you liked this video and found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.